Hi guys, it's Miss Anna from the Pembroke Pines Art and Cultural Department. How are you? I'm outside today because today our project is based off nature. We're going to be doing some Aboriginal dot paintings. Here's some examples that I have. This one's a turtle. This one's a snake. This one's a lizard. My sister made this one. It's cool, huh? So, if you notice, we're going to be doing these on grocery bags. This is actually the back of a grocery bag. You're going to cut the bags down the seam of the bag, and then you're going to be using this part of the paper. And then we're going to tear the paper along the sides to make it look like bark. These paintings were usually done on the sides of cliffs, on rocks, on bark. They were even done in the sand. They were done by the Aborigines, which were the first inhabitants of Australia. And they used to make these paintings to give future generations stories passed down from one to another. So they would always do these from an aerial perspective, which means that you're looking down into the painting, okay? That's why they're all flat. There is no perspective in these paintings. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a shape in pencil, and I'll help you with that. And then we're going to take Q-tips and make dots around our pencil lines. And you're going to add more dots and more dots. If you don't have Q-tips, you can use the back of an eraser. You can use a chopstick. You can use a skewer. The Aborigines used to use sticks. They even used to use their fingers. And their paintings were sometimes really big. So it was more than one person that would do the painting. So maybe if you want to get your mom involved, or your brother, or your sister, you can do one together, okay? So let's gather our stuff and let's get started. Grab your grocery bags and cut them down the sides so you end up with a square. Flip your bag over and remove the handle from the grocery bag. Next, you're going to tear the bags on the sides. Now your paper is ready for painting. For the lizard shape, all you have to do is draw an S. Then do another S on the other side. Then draw feet and eyes. Next, you can fill in your lizard with a color. We use black, but you can use any dark color you like. You want your dots to shine through on this color. You can start dotting with your Q-tips or whatever you have on hand. Keep adding dots, add white outline dots, then add dots on your background. You have your finished lizard. For your snake, all you need to do is draw a spiral. And then you can add a head and eyes and a tongue. Instead of coloring in my snake, I decided to give him stripes. Then I went around him with black dots. Started to fill in with more dots. Gave him a tongue. More dots. Different colors. Remember, experiment with your colors. Try and do different ones, and then do my background. I did circles and dots. For the turtle, all you need to do is draw an oval. Then you can add flippers and draw an upside down U for the head and a V for the tail. There's your turtle. You can now fill the shape of your turtle with color. I used 2 colors and then I outlined it with black dots. I also added waves and dots in a wave-like pattern. Remember, you can't add enough dots. Hope you enjoyed painting with me today. See you next time.